TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. Welcome, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. Analytics, content, don't care. Content. Live. What time is it? 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll get ready for market open. We'll get everybody on market open. Let me see right here. We got to get our Zoom meetings. How's everybody weekend doing? Today is 3. Oh, geez, what's today? 22. Okay. That's funny. All right. Passcode. Participants can do that. Save. All right. I think we're starting it now. We'll get you guys all set so you'll know what's going to happen at market open. Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
Recording in progress.
Share screen. Yep, that's the right one. That should take care of that. Let's send that out over here. VIP meeting starting now. Oh, shoot, fire. All right, let's see. For all the VIP people meeting now, go ahead and look for that email in the Discord. Upcoming meetings are right here. Now we're all set. Are we sharing screens? Yes. Is there anyone in chat? Participants? No, no one here yet. Well, okay then. All right, how are we looking over here? Oh, there's a few people here. All right, VIP, anyone that's paying for the VIP in the VIP, you can go to the VIP meeting now. I think I posted it in the Discord. Let me double check that again. Upcoming meetings. Yeah. Yeah, and I just sent out the oh, what in the world? Okay. What's up, everybody on TikTok? Good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. We are rolling. Let's see. 30-second buy stop to the blue line. All indices will be happening upon open. Market open. Yep. Oh, yeah. We're definitely going to the 30-second blue line. Specifically, NAS will be rising to 24,015. NQ will be rising to 24,234. SPX will be rising to $6,539.01. And ES1 will be rising to $6,591.25. US 30 YM1 are already over it. What's up, Glow? What's up, Justin? What's up, Marley Mar? Good evening, Glow. Good evening to everybody in the VIP room. Let me make sure over here, though. Ah, yes. Happy Sunday to you. Who is this? I can't see it. Fuck. This red light therapy, huh? Miguel, what's up? Number one. Miguel is number one here. Oh, no, he is not. Yes, he is. That is Miguel. Good afternoon, Tony Gold. What's up, Tony? What's up, D Nice? Good to see you, sir. What's up, Marky Mark? Happy Sunday to you. Persistent. What's up, Persistent? And D Nice again. El Flacco again. Jose. Michael Gowinski spelled out. Well, there you go. Well, it's Michelle Gowinski. Help if I can read. What's up, Michelle? How you been? Who do we have here? Justin, good afternoon. And Glow. Okay, we're good. Let me make sure we're down on that. All right. This is a 30-second, what you're witnessing or looking at right here. This will go up when market opens. This will go to here. This will go up to that. Price action at green will go up to the blue. And that's what it's going to do. And my system is step by step telling you what's going to happen before it happens. You can tell because this is a logo buy. Our system is the only system in the world. Oh, look at that. Is this red here? I think it did turn red. It did, yeah. This is your logo buy to the blue line. My system, look at how perfect this is. It tells you when it goes down and when it goes up. I mean, is this the same thing? This was, remember we just took a picture of this. Hold on. Where did we take that picture at? It was of EURUSD. No, it was GPB JPY, but this is the exact same play as GPB JPY. Wow. This is incredible. Yeah, it was, wasn't it, Glow? The USD. GBP USD. Sorry, yes, correct. Yep. Wow. Let me see. Perfect buy, perfect sell. Let me see, because this is going to be the same thing. So I told you guys, just fucking print this thing. There it is. Print this thing out. Oh my God. Look at that. Yeah, okay. Whoever here doesn't listen to me needs to be smushed in the head. Listen, look. God. I told you this the last time I was live, and whenever we went over this stuff, maybe not the last time. Oh, let me go over here so you can see it easier. Look at this. Just look at this. Wow. What was I just looking at? NAS. And where were we at? Hold on. Let's go back to here. 30-second. And yeah, it doesn't matter. Any one of those, actually. There it is. NAS. Let's go over here. Jeez. Can't show you on the weekly because they never bring it down on the weekly. But, you know, other than that, we can show you. And I'll show you what it looks like on a raw chart. You can see the perfection of the system. And then you can look at, I don't know, whatever else loser shit you want to put on there and see how it looks. All right, look. You think, I don't know what people think. I have no idea. Look, this is our, where'd I put it? Oh, is that it right here? No, that's not it. Where is that thing? There it is. Okay. Look. On the left is GBP USD, as Mike Galinsky so nicely pointed out. And on the right is NAS 100. Okay. Does anyone here need to be put in a headlock? How do I get through to you guys? This is GBP USD. And just look at your NAS. Or any of them. You could look at NAS US 30Y. Look at them all. Look at them all. Just look at what you're witnessing. I told you to print this and to only play this when you see it, right? Well, This is what it looks like. Let me be clear. This is on the left. This is past. This is what it's currently liking before it came up and hit it the first time. So this came up, hit the blue line on GBB, but see the red? Look at the red. Look at your cells. Oh my God. Please, someone speak up and say they can see the same thing. Oi, come on, guys. Look, this is your red. This is your cells on the way down for GBP USD, right? This is your cells on the way down for NAS, right here, 30-second GBP USD 3-minute. These are your buys. This is your buy regular, then it's a double. This is your W with the pullback rate. I mean, they couldn't ask for better. This is the same thing. This is your logo buy. So not only do we have the coolest logo, let's be clear on this. The logo is what shows us the future. So let me pull this over here, grab this over here, and just look at this. Hey, where the heck is my... There it is. Hold on. There it is. Okay. So this is our logo. Now let's get something clear. I know some of you would, this is the coolest looking logo. You can argue that all you want, but it is. And this is what it looks like. We have the bar, let me see if I can grab that. The up arrow and down arrow that you see on this bull actually predicts the future with near 100% accuracy. What do I mean? Well, this thing right here, shoop, nope, we are not using white. Hold on. Nope, we're not using yellow, we're using green. There we go. So this right here comes up, does that. Now watch. The second part of the logo is what separates our system from any other system that you've ever seen. And what do I mean? Watch. This logo gives us the ability to project into the future. So it's a little large because it's not matching up to the size of what you just witnessed, but watch. I'll show you what it looks like. Price action starts underneath red, which is what this is right here. Comes up, comes over, hooks, and comes up again. Well, it did it already once, and this is your buy stop. So if we move this over to here now, you're going to see that same movement right here. And if you look at our previous example that I told you guys to print out to make blah, blah, everywhere, you'll see that this logo right here, so this came up, came over, hook, came up, came over, and then this is your logo right there. Boop, that part. So when you see this, either here or here, and you see the cells before it, this is a different, oh, there we go. This is a different, what's up, Kim, the Candle Envy lady? This is a different, if only there was a system that could tell us what to do, right, Justin? What's up, Kim? What's up, Justin? So look, you can see on the left, let's make sure you're clear on this. I don't think some of you are seeing things clearly. This isn't the same charts. It's the same high probability pattern that I told you on the left, GPB, USD, 3-minute. On the right, NAS, SPX, ES1, and NQ1, 30-second. Same high probability trade setup. It works on all symbols and times. Not a financial advisor, demo only. All right. So let's get this over here so you guys can see this a little clearer. All right, TikTokers and YouTubers, go tell your little friends, tell everybody that doesn't know how to trade, tell everybody that's scared of trading, tell everybody that you know that says, oh, well, you don't know the future. No one can tell. Yeah, we can. And yes, we can. And yes, we do catch a falling knife. And yes, we do. Can't see the other screen. Oh, shit. Well, get to the VIP room and you can see the other screen. Yeah, you can't. Here, let me take my ugly ass off of here. There you go. You should be able to see it now. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. What's up, Mike Latt? What's up, peeps on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and VIP group? Kev, you got the best system out in this trading world. I don't see why anyone would go any other way but using the system facts. Thank you, Jonathan. I agree. What's up, 501 Pan Fishing? I agree, though, with him, obviously. VIP peeps. Yep, VIP is open. Please join the VIP group. You'll be able to see things and hear things quicker and better and ask questions live. And instead of paying $1,000 for 30 minutes, which last month added up to over $40,000 worth of lives I did for the VIP people, and this month we're there too. Hold on a second. I might have exaggerated that number. Hold on. Last month we had, don't let me exaggerate. Hold on. 48,000. I underestimated. We did 24 hours of live last month, and we're on pace to overdo that. $48,000 worth of VIP and single persons they got from me, just so we're all clear. All right. So my system is showing you how to see the future. Again, on the left is GPUSD. These are two separate charts. Sevens, if anyone out there, because I'm really getting scared at this point. Sevens, if anyone out there can see that the left chart is exactly the same as the right chart. You can see the green, 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 red. Then you see the space, and now it's going to go to the blue line. So when market opens, that's what's going to, well, whether it occurs or not, it will happen eventually. I don't give a shit if it happens at market open or not, but it will be going to that 30-second blue line. And yes, if it wasn't for the close over the weekend, this already would have happened. And this is what it was. And that's what it is on the other. And that's what it is. These are the same high probability setups over and, oh, thank you guys on VIP. YouTubers, there's nobody on YouTube that sees that. We have about 30 people there. Yeah, we're about 50 people deep. And I only see 3 sevens. Okay, well, I'm about to leave YouTube. I am live there, yeah? Yeah, I'm live. Whoa, that's pretty piss poor at that point. I might have to go. Okay. Okay, these are common principles. If all you did was print out this sheet to the left or the one to the right, and you literally just waited patiently, took the trades as they developed, I don't care if it's on the 1 minute, 30 second, 3 minute, 50 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 10 hour. It's all the same. What's up, Lachey? What's up, George? What's up, Jose? All right. So this is the same high probability setup on the left that's finished, went up to the thing and came back down. Now over here, what you're about to see, what you're going to see is this. You're going to see the finish. So what you're going to see is price action is going to come up, touch the blue line, hook, come back down underneath the blue line, hook again, and come back up. Just like you see over here is what you're going to see over there. So again, this is going to come up and touch the blue line, go over it just like it did. It's going to hook, come back below it, and come back up. That is a ricochet trade. This is exactly where it was at right here. It came up, coming down. It's going to come up and do that. Now, it doesn't matter if this setup is on the 30-second NAS. It doesn't matter whether it's on the 3-minute GBP USD. It doesn't matter. This is the same high probability setup for a buy to go up on any symbol And when you see it, you can trade this with 99% confidence. Does this make sense? Do you understand that history repeats itself? That they only can move, BlackRock, Vanguard, State Street, whatever the fuck they call themselves, all those little guys can only move it up or down. When they move it up, my system knows ahead of time. When they move it down, my system knows ahead of time. On this buy, you will see price action go over. You will see your indicators flip. Red, yellow, orange will be the notice of the indicators. This will hook like this, fill in the gap, come down, come up, touch that blue line, and hook and come again. This is exactly what's happened over here, as you can see. Doop, and this will repeat. The same pattern repeats itself. This is your red, scoots over, comes over. This is your buy stop. See the red, and this is your hook. This is just perfection. I didn't even get into the sniper, even though that's even easier. Now, I've repeated that about 4 times. Okay. Yes, we can look at Bitcoin, absolutely. Good afternoon, Cardman. Good to see you, Cardman. So again, I've repeated this the 4th time. This is a buy for NAS. Now, if you guys were super patient, you'd wait for this little price thing to go up and touch the blue, go above it, come back down, and then come back up. That's all you have to wait for. And it will go up and touch that blue line and go past it. This gap will come up, fill. Price action on the blue line will come up on the sniper too, to the blue line. Take a picture of these two. I'm telling you again. Take a picture of this so you can see this is the same. This is, again, 3-minute over here, 30-second over here. It doesn't matter. See how it went down? Boom, 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 down, down, down. Did our logo. There's our safety trade. Then it hooked up, came up, did the safety trade to the blue line right there. Here it is. Comes down, hooks, came back up, hooked over, came back doing our logo. Now, it's the same thing. If you guys can't see this, speak up. I would be confused. But you see how things are going down right here in the red, down, and then things turn and flip and go up to the blue. When they flip and go up, that's our secret. That's what we have. We have the technology to see the high probability setups. You see the space there? Well, this is a space. It's going to go up. It already did. This one's going to go up now. And it's going to go up and touch. Price will go up and touch that blue line just like it did here the first time. All the similarities are there. This hasn't developed yet on the right. The left has already done it. What we know is because the system shows us ahead of time what this is going to do. It's going to go to the blue line, ricochet, come back down, and we're going to get in it again, and then we'll ride it back up to the 30-second blue line. Watch this training portion of the live on repeat. Study it, master it, and thank Kevin later. Easy peasy, and it happens. Correct. So please, everyone, right now, matter of factly, here, I'm going to take a screenshot of this, but I'm going to write out what this is first. Hold on 1 second so everyone can see this. This is over here. This is GPB USD 3-minute. And then over here, this is for future's sake because, we'll be looking at this future. This is NAS 100 30-second. 2 different symbols. Didn't write it. Hold on. NAS 100 30-second. Okay. 2 different symbols, but the exact same. So let's go hunting for this. We'll do Bitcoin, but then we're going to go hunting. I'm going to show you what I mean. We're going to go find this exact setup on multiple symbols. So we're going to call this. We're going to call this. Oopsie, hold on. Let me grab that right there. Pictures. This is the best high probability setup to best three. Okay. Now when we look at this picture, we're going to see that we have two of the exact same trades, the exact same way. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin and see how that looks. And we'll all read it together. We're all going to become Bitcoin experts. And you'll know more than 99% of all traders on Bitcoin by the time I'm explaining this to you. Best system, says Marley Mark. Correct. It is. Good evening and God bless. Who is that? What's up, Larry Cooper? Welcome, Larry. Hope you're having a great weekend, sir. What's up, Miss Taraya Edwards? Welcome. Welcome, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Look at closed eyes. Or Michelle. All right, we have Bitcoin. Everybody in the group, everybody in the VIP, everybody that steals my system but knows what this down arrow means. Is Bitcoin shorter term, medium term? Is it going for a sell or is it going down? Let me be clear. They're down pointing fucking arrows. Is it going to go down or is it going to go up short to medium term? Is Bitcoin's trend going down or up? Everybody. Down or up? Go ahead. I'm waiting. Do. Nah. Down, sell. Jose. Justin, down. Ryan, down. Okay, anybody in the VIP group got that wrong. I put him headlock. Sell, Justin. Larry, sell. Down. Lat Mike, down. Correct. So, if my system is near flawless to flawless, and other people can learn it and answer these questions for you, see how they all said down? This is the VIP group. You can join the VIP group one day. You can be big people. Down, says Jose. Down, says, what's up, Kim? Down, says Doughboy. Down, says Cardman. Correct. So we're looking at red. Red means down in almost everybody's system, including this one. And the down arrow does mean down. I used to have to say that to people. You guys don't understand. I remember literally saying to people, down arrow means down. And they were like, does it mean down? Yeah, I've seen it all. Okay, where were we? So back to it. This is down. There's nothing good about TikTok except that below daily arrow. That has caught my attention because anytime anything big goes below its daily, I'm listening. Sell. This is this is a daily sell. Everyone here in my group, what is this? I'm going to terminology wise, is a sell, stop, or a buy? Daily what? Daily sell. Go ahead and, yeah, there you go, Ryan. What's up, Ryan? Welcome to the VIP, buddy. Where is my, okay. I need members. Oops, damn it, where'd it go? Very good, Kim, correct, Amundo. Oh, there we go, okay. Oh, good, we're up to 9 people in the VIP. All right, so this is a sell, so we all know it's going to go down. Well, this is a daily sell. You're not going to skip this one. We're fucked. So this is what happens to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going down to 63,000. Bitcoin's going to... I swear I'm going to have to sell a house. Bitcoin's going down to 60,000. Hell, fuck that. $59,814.19. And I know Kim's writing this down. 59,000. Let me see if I can call it lower. No, it doesn't look like that. Hold on, that's still going to come down on the weekly, though. Ooh, but that's the problem. Can we get there? Yeah. All right. But here's your shining rainbow ability to see. Now I'm going to come over here so it's obvious. This is a monthly. Each one of these lines is a month. You want to talk about a slow-moving trade. Here it is. All right, each one of these lines is a month. A month. Holy crap, that's a long time. Let me scooch this down a little bit. All right, so you guys maybe see it a little better on TikTok land. All right, thank you, Michelle. Brexit. hum down, says Brexit. What's up, Brexit? All right. Now, what is this? Now, let's go over this again. Let's go from the top. So, everyone, I'm going to beat this into your guys' subconscious mind so you understand this and become pros. We have a logo. The logo is this cool-looking bull with an up arrow. And everyone said, oh, that's a cool-looking up arrow. But what does it do? Well, it predicts the future. Same with the down arrow. But this is what our bull does. So besides move coolly, it tells us with its logo on the back of its back, right? Back of the back, is that right? Yeah, I think so. That there's something that we're looking for, a certain pattern. And I had the artist. Me and the artist went round and round on this. He wanted to do pointy lines right here. And I kept telling him, no, I need them to be flat. It looks better with a pointy line up, a pointy line down, and a pointy line up. That looks more like charts. But that's not what the trade looks like. The trade happens when it's flat and flat. I'll show you. So remember, this logo is the most usable. This logo will go down in history. No, it won't. Well, maybe. More important than the Coca-Cola, more memorable than Spider-Man. Actually, that's not possible, but we'll see. It's a long time. We're just starting out. This is going to be, because what we're doing is this part, the second part of each logo predicts the future with 99% accuracy. The difference between the system that we have, all of us, me and my wife, is that you can see the future. Look, starts out below the red, comes up, comes down. There's a gap right there, comes back up. Now, this is Bitcoin. Someone asked me, what about Bitcoin? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is Bitcoin, 1 month. What is this? If this is a logo and this is on the back of the bull and it's green, does this logo interpret that this is all going to go up? If I have up arrows here. Or am I showing that it's going to go down? Is the system calling for Bitcoin to be a monthly buy stop? Or is it going to be a monthly sell stop? A sell is going to go down. I just remember to hit the like button. Thank you, Cardman. Is Bitcoin on the monthly going to go up? Lat Mike says up. Yay! Look, Michael. Oh my gosh. There's one person that pays attention to me. TikTokers, come on. Don't lose me. Is Bitcoin going to go up on this high probability setup or down? Come on. Everybody now. We all can figure this out. We're not dum-dums. You all know enough about my system what to do. Come on. There's literal up arrows over here. I can't, it's a blatant open book test. YouTubers, TikTokers, and where are we at? Oh, on VIPers. Is this going up? Thank you, Larry. Going up. Kim, thank you, Larry. Building an amazing, correct, Justin. Ryan Marcus up, correct. Now, this is a 1 month buy stop. I started this off by saying that daily below the red line looks really tempting. When I saw that, I thought, well, damn, why is it below the red line on a daily? A big name like this. So let's go to the daily and see. Oh, so it's a daily sell stop to where I told you, which will happen first because the system is very logical and the markets move in logical order that are 100% planned and predictable. That'll blow your mind. How about that? Let that sink in. The markets aren't random and unknown. Thanks to my system, we now know the markets are 100% predictable and planned and logical. 100% we know what it's going to do before it does it. And I'm showing you what it's going to do before it does it. I told you where Bitcoin will go down to, but I don't give two Fs if Bitcoin goes down that low. What I care about, Bitcoin is a monthly buy stop to the daily blue line and beyond. So Bitcoin will dip, then Bitcoin will be going back up to 73,360. Then what will happen? Bitcoin will go up to $78,580.82, to $86,783.60. Bitcoin will go up to $97,223.49. And every last one of you remember this when I told you when Bitcoin was going down to the depths of hell and it should be at fucking zero. I'm telling you, Bitcoin will be going to record highs past $125,000. Why is he yelling? Why does he care? Because all of you mofos out there that are saying that zero, worthless, and it is, and it should be, but it's going back to record highs. Ding dong, babies. There you go. And anybody that doesn't like that or doesn't think that or doesn't understand what I said, be patient. It will come around, and that's what's going to happen to Bitcoin. 7s if I'm clear on Bitcoin, 9 if I'm not. Now I have a really problem on TikTok. They didn't answer my question. Oh, do I go on TikTok or do I stay on TikTok? Do I go on TikTok or do I stay on TikTok? I'll stay for the moment, but they're pushing their luck. All right. Next. Planned and predicted enables the carbon. Yep. Correct. All right. Now, that is what's going to happen on Bitcoin. Down, you want to go down to the seconds? We can do that. But your down is low enough as you need to know where it's going to go. So we're dipping down, play any sell until it hits that 59, 60,000. Then look for the buy to kick in and it goes up, if not prior to there. See, it's now back to where I wanted it anyway, which is below that red line. I told you that. That is the best when it goes below that like that. That is just perfection. Yeah, it's going to keep going down a little bit more. It's going to hook, come back up. It'll form the tit down there. Then it will come back up and go to record highs. Any questions on that in the VIP group? VIP, you and me. VIP. Any questions on that in the Discord? Any questions on that in the TikTok group? Any questions on that in the YouTube group? Any questions on what I'm explaining on Bitcoin? I just told you how to read and taught you how to read the future. I just told you what the future looks like. I just told you it's going to go there. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Now, how long does this take? Well, each one of these candles is a month. So this could take a very long time to occur, meaning way more than a month. Any questions over Bitcoin? Yes or no? VIP, no thank you, said Kim. Miss Taraya, any questions? Glow, Justin, hey Kev, what's up, Kev Norris? Anyone have any questions? Kim, Larry, Mike, Ryan, Taraya, anyone? This is extremely important. You guys are the VIPs. You're expected to stay in the group for 1 year. We've only had 3 people have an issue. 2 of them paid already. 1 of them lost their membership for life. They're not allowed back in. If you cannot make payment and you don't contact us as to why you can't make payment, you not only lose the VIP group, you will lose access to everything, including the Discord. Are my VIP members clear on that? By all means, you can quit at any time you want, VIPers, but I'm telling you, if you agree to stay in the system for a year, if they waited long enough, TikTok will kick me off. Yes, they always do. That's why we have multiple TikTok accounts. So like a few years to reach those highs, Miguel Herrera. So Bitcoin is usually on a 4-year timeline. Is that what your system is? No, Card Man. My system is not anything like anything you've ever seen. No. So like a few years to watch. I can tell you, roughly speaking, the last time you're in a position of what you're currently seeing would have been June 1st, 2022. And from that point to when up to its previous high past it was April 1st, 2024. So it took 2 years-ish for this to occur last time. I'm not saying it will take 2 years. I'm not saying it'll take 2 weeks. I'm telling you it will do what I said it will do. And mark my fucking words when it does it, because I will replay this video just like I did the video you watch every time you come to the home of the Safety Trade System, where you see me calling out, these are the current ones, sorry. When you see me calling out the YouTube, the Bitcoin video in March the 8th, 2023, when it was at 26,500, That's when I called Bitcoin to go over 70,000. Now, and this is now March 20th, wherever we are, 20th, I don't know what day we have, 20th, 22, sorry, March 22, 2026. And I'm telling you, it's going to go over 125,000. Remember this day. Matter of fact, let me rename this video. Hold on a second. I'll rename this video so that you guys we'll have this day in this video in infamy. So it'll never go away. Everyone will see it. Everyone will know forever what this video is calling for, because I'm so sick of all these people. How much more exact can I be? I tell you it's going to go down into roughly where? Usually I'm within a few dollars. So this is a Bitcoin going to record highs over $125,000 while it's at, I don't know, 60K or some shit. Just remember this. And today's date is 3/22/26, Sunday. Okay. Bitcoin going to record highs while it's at 60,000. It'll take time. And I have to put that in there because I guarantee, well, it's been a week. Bitcoin's gone down. Jesus Christ. How do I, whatever. It's a good thing I laugh at this, because otherwise there'd be some brain cells lost dealing with some people here. 100%. Okay. I remember you called Bitcoin at 26,000. Yes. And I was actually trading Bitcoin on my lives at 12,000, just so we're clear. So like a few years to reach those highs. Nope. I already explained this. So Bitcoin is usually on a 4-year timeline. Is that what your system has? Oh, is that what it's showing? No, I think it's going to be done within 4 years, actually. No. I don't think it's going to take 4 years. It'll be done by the time Trump gets out of office, or they put somebody else in. Yes, you remember when I called Bitcoin. That is correct. Yeah, I called Bitcoin at 26,000. I called them all. All of them come around to fruition. It's just a matter of time. Now, I'm not going to give out much more on different symbols on this, because that's what the VIP group gets. They get all the call outs and all the money. But this Bitcoin one is just, very, very easy. Now, if we look at this raw, let's compare this, because this is what you guys start with. Some of you forgot how long ago it's been. But if you look to the left, right? You look to the left. This is what a raw chart looks like. Some of you don't even know because it's been so long. So on the left right here, this is Bitcoin monthly raw one chart. On the right, this is Bitcoin monthly with my system. Now, my system gives you multiple trade confirmations, not the least of which you'll notice that my system goes from red to green, and you can see it kind of. It's amazing how accurate this is. So this is green, right? My system has green means up, green right here on the histogram bars, okay? Now, our logo is another little thing. It started below and came up, boom, and then boom. And then our sniper isn't quite low enough on the pink or purple, but it will be there soon. That's why it's going to sell a little first. So these are just 5 of the little confirmations with my system. And in theory, you can actually get up to and do, when you combine both charts, to over 30 different trade confirmations telling you to take something or not to. And there's 30 different indicators built into my system. Over here, you have 0 on a raw chart. You don't know what's going to happen. Over here, you have 30 different indicators, different things telling you to take this trade on a buy over and over and over. Now, yes, my system tells you where to enter a trade, when to exit a trade. But again, that's taught to the VIP people anymore. I don't think I'm wasting my time on entrances with you guys. Just know that my system tells you exactly when to get into the trade, how long to hold the trade for, and when to take profit, and when to put your, or where to put your stop losses. But if you look at this, this is 100% unusable on the left. You can't use a raw chart. No one can trade from a raw chart, not even me, and I wouldn't pretend to. What I can tell you I can trade with was one line, the pink line right there. And once that goes from the bottom to the top, look at what it did the last time. Look at what it did the last time it was here on Bitcoin. Holy shit. Look what it did the time before the last time on Bitcoin. Then it went all the way up. See what it did? Then it did its thing. Then it came all the way down. Then it went all the way up. Now it's coming all the way down. You don't get these opportunities in Bitcoin a lot. Here is an opportunity for Bitcoin. Am I speaking slow enough? Am I speaking clear enough? Are my arrows telling you this will go down, this will go down, this will go down? That green thing will come down. Then it will hook and come back up to record highs. Am I clear? Good afternoon, Grant. What's up, Grant? TikTokers, clear. YouTubers, clear. Am I stuttering? No. Am I speaking clearly? Yes. Am I speaking slowly? For the most part, yes. Are you now, guys, all experts on Bitcoin? Yes. Do you realize you're experts on Bitcoin? No. But you know more about what's going to happen on Bitcoin than Donald Trump does. Let it form, trust the system. Correct, Larry. Welcome to the VIP room. Thomas, Taraya Edwards, Ryan Marcus, Mike Lattimore, Larry Cooper, Kim Bernard, Kevin Norris, Justin, and Mike Lewinsky. We have several people lined up to join. I allowed one or two people that already signed up to join into the VIP class, although we do have our VIP consistently class coming up. And this is the one time. So let's write this out here. Okay. Now, we have coming up soon. I don't know what date. You want me to look for a date? Hold on. Let me see if I can find us a date. We have a consistency class. Maybe the 26th. Mondays. We can make it Thursday. Do I have anything Thursday? Yeah, we'll make it Thursday the 30th. All right. No, Monday the 30th. All right. Coming up soon. 3:30, 26, Monday at 2:15-ish p.m. EST. You are having your free to the public one time per month via private VIP group will be open to the public at that time. It is your one chance to get into the VIP group is that day and week after. It is also your consistency class, free to the public. This happens one time per month. You will receive an email. Well, multiple emails before then. Okay. So this is coming up. This is a big deal. This doesn't happen. I've now limited it to one time a month. That's the only time you guys can do this. So take advantage of it. You that are free that are in the public, you can see what the VIP class is like. And it's I think it's 1,000% better than what we do here. It's just so much easier, so much funner to do, I swear. I get to talk to people. It's just better. The people they're actually smart. I'm so happy with my VIP peeps. They're so good. All right. So let's save this as our boop. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Does everybody understand what they're seeing here? This is your one time per month VIP public meeting, free, open, consistency also. I probably spelled that wrong, but consistency class, something like that. Now we know. All right, we're saving that. Let's see. Okay, sevens, if you all understand. Coming soon on 3:30 Monday, the 26th, around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They'll be free to the public one time a month. Private VIP group will be open to the public. It is your one chance to get into the VIP group is that day and the week after. You can actually buy in and get it. It is also your consistency class free to the public. This happens one time per month. You will receive an email multiple times before then. So if you signed up for my email group, you will get access to this. If you're in the VIP group, you get access. If you're in the regular system, you get into access to this. Sevens, if we're all clear on that. Welcome everybody in the VIP group. So glad to see you all here. Understood. Glossus 777. YouTubers, you guys are clear on this. TikTokers, are you clear on this? Thank you, Brexit, for liking the live. What's up, Henry? I swear, HJC Henry. I thought Henry was like a 20-year-old kid, and he's a 50-year-old man. I don't know. Bree knew that. I just didn't know that. So there is all kinds of problems there. All right. Whew. Fun times, fun times. It's a lot. I don't know. That's Dad, I guess. Oh, we had somebody sign up. Nice. All right. TikTokers, we're going VIP. Does anybody have any questions for that? I'm going to go to VIP now. It's private. It's just a few individuals. No one else will be in the class. Sevens. All right. TikTokers, God bless. Have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. YouTubers, any questions before I go on YouTube? YouTubers, any questions? We're going to VIP private only. VIP class is coming up now. VIPers, please stay live. We're going to come right over to you in just a second. I don't know how long I'll stay on here, but it'd be a little bit, probably a half hour as a guess. Yeah, about an hour I should have with you guys. Okay. Thank you, God. Thank you, Kevin. And Kevin for this live. Yay. You're welcome, Jose. Heading over to the VIP. God bless you.